How to delete Facebook account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your Facebook account step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you simply have to tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are on the menu section, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the settings and privacy section, there you can see the option labeled as see more in account center under the account center. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you are on the account center, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as personal details. And now here under the personal details, you can see the option labeled as account ownership and control. So simply tap on it. And now here you'll see two options. Number one is memorialization and number two is deactivation or deletion. So simply select number two. And now here, once you do that, on the next page, you simply have to select the account. So here simply select account, and after that you simply have to choose which you want to do, like deactivate account or delete account. So here simply select delete account and tap on continue. And after that, on the next page, you simply have to give your reason for deleting your account. So simply give your reason and tap on continue. And on the next page, you simply have to tap on continue again. And once you do that, the Facebook will show you all the things that may delete after you delete your Facebook account. So here simply scroll through all this, and once you're done with it, simply tap on continue. And there on the next page, Facebook will ask you to enter your password. So here simply enter the password and tap on continue. And here after confirming it, on the next page, just tap on account deletion, and after confirming it, your account will enter a 30-day grace period. So here if you log in during this time, deletion will be cancelled, but if you don't log in after 30 days, your account and all data will be permanently deleted. And that's it. That's how you can delete Facebook account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.